Hello and welcome to Carol Nash Inside Bikes. We're going to give you our top 5 A2 bikes for 2024. An A2 motorcycle is in the middleweight category and cannot put out more power than 35 kilowatts. Starting off, we've got the Honda CB500 Hornet. The new CB500 Hornet comes with revised and aggressive styling and an unchanged 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This remains A2 compliant. Peak power is capped at a maximum of 35 kilowatts, which in real life is 46.2 brake horsepower. The 2024 CB500 Hornet comes with the addition of traction control, which I quite like. The Honda CB500 Hornet is priced at $6,199 and is expected in dealerships very early in 2024. Next up on our list, we've got the KTM 390 Duke. The 390 Duke is known as the corner rocket. This brings agility, lightweight handling, and punchy performance with the latest LC4 engine. KTM claims that the all-new 2024 390 Duke represents the biggest change to the sub 500cc Dukes since 2011. So we're talking about a complete redesign with new engines, chassis, and styling. This all comes at a price tag of $5,699 and is available in UK dealerships now. Next up, we've got the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. And here, Royal Enfield are aiming high with their new Himalayan, a very practical proposition as a budget adventure bike. The Himalayan has an all-new 452cc single-cylinder engine, producing just under 40 brake horsepower. The chassis is also a new design from the ground up, which appears to be more sophisticated. The Himalayan has some presence with its styling, long travel upside-down forks, and large brake discs on the 21-inch front wheel. There's no news yet on when the Himalayan will hit UK dealerships, but we will keep a close eye and update you in the future. Another new and exciting bike in our top 5 is the Triumph 400 models. Triumph have announced the exciting new 400 models for 2024, being the Speed 400 and the Scrambler 400X. Both bikes are brand new and have been designed from the ground up. Triumph says that the new 400s are designed for a confidence-inspiring ride. They are agile and designed for riders of all experience levels. These 400s are set to be available in January 2024 for a price tag of $4,995. Next up, we have the Aprilia RS457. The RS457 models feel like the missing puzzle piece to the Aprilia RS family. The new RS457 cinches the gap between the 125 engines and the RS660. The RS457 produces 47 brake horsepower, and this is the best power-to-weight ratio for A2 compatibility. They will come with race-happy aesthetics and available in 3 different colors. We don't have a date on availability or prices yet, but keep your eyes peeled on the page for future updates. For full reviews or for any more info on any of our top 5 bikes listed, head on over to the Carol Nash Inside Bikes page.